everybody, it is Train Man here, and I have a Pokemon opening of this pack. It has a Zapdos pin, which is one of 3 special pins. It has 3 booster packs, so let's get right into it. There. Okay. Don't kill the booster packs. So, it comes with this cool Zapdos pin. The back just looks like that. Just silver with this black thing that you can take off and on. Because you put it on your shirt and then you push that in to hold it in place. Okay, now let's get straight into the booster packs. To start it off, we have a Primal Crash booster pack. Okay. I will be giving out the promo codes because I never use them. Code number 1. Wait, I think that's upside down. Code number 1. Sorry about that. Card trick. Rough Seas. Madarina. Weakness Policy. Phoebus. Focus. Mudkip. Spinda. Oh, God. Volbeat. Nose Pass. A Lioon. Reverse Hollow. And the last one is... Oh! I don't have that. I think it's a Ludicolo. It's a Hollow. If I mispronounce anything, just tell me in the comments. Make sure to like, sub, and stuff. Okay, Okay, into our second or third, we have a Breakthrough pack with a Mega Mewtwo on the front. Oh, crap! This might not be in order like it's supposed to be because I just dropped it on accident. And I hope it is in order. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Got the card trick. There's wait, upside down again. There's the promo. Okay. Start it off. We have a Hawlucha. Ursaring. Magneton. Like that hand-drawn artwork. Oh, I see something good on the back. Yeah. A Hoot Hoot. Ah! A Wobbuffet. A Romarade. A Teddiursa. Oh, I see something. Okay. Scatterbug. Oh! No freaking... Oh. An Axie. No. My first break I've ever pulled. It's a Noivern break. Psycho Wolfer does 70 plus. Nice, and we still have another pack to go. We got a hollow and a break so far. That's good. That's good. Now, if this is a regular rare or just a holo, I do not care. Because I have had 2 really good pulls. Well, a holo is also a good pull. But if I just get a regular rare, I'm not mad. It's perfectly fine because I just got 2 good pulls. Okay, we got a, sorry about that, a Steam Sage with a break thing on with a break on the front. I don't know which one it is. In the comments, please tell me what break that is. Okay, promo. What is that? No, it's not a okay. Card trick. Okay, to start it off, we have a Gardevoir Spirit Link, Tangros, Fletchender, Shellos, Deino, Larvesta, Apom, Drifloon, a reverse holo, Joltik. What is that? Is it holo? No, regular rare Pyro. Not bad, not bad. So that is it for this video. So, hope you enjoyed. Make sure to like, sub, and comment. Please tell me how you liked it. Bye.